friends, welcome back to my channel, Pastry and Soul. My name is Samantha. Today we're going to make these ultimate triple chocolate chip cookies. These chocolate chip cookies include dark chocolate, white chocolate, and semi-sweet chocolate chips. If you'd like to know how to make this recipe, then please stay tuned. The recipe for these chocolate chip cookies can be found on my website, pastryandsoul.com, which will be linked in the description box below. Be sure to hit subscribe if you'd like to be notified for more recipes. Let's get started.
First, we'll start off with some all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. My mom always uses nutmeg in her cookies, so I decided to add some to this recipe as well. Using freshly grated nutmeg is always best, but if you don't have any, that's okay. You can use ground nutmeg. This recipe calls for browned butter. If you've been watching my channel, then you know that I love to use brown butter in my baked goods. If you'd like to know how to make brown butter, then go ahead and check out the link below to watch my tutorial on how to make brown butter. I mentioned this in my tutorial, but do not throw away all these brown bits. That's where the flavor is. Next, add in the brown sugar and the white sugar. I have them both in the same measuring cup. In this recipe, I've added 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. I've whisked them together and then I added it to the sugars and brown butter. Be sure to add in some vanilla for extra flavor. Next, add in your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, a little bit at a time. Using a spatula, fold in your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients and be sure not to overmix. Now we're adding in the best part, the chocolate. You can either use chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, or a combination of both like I did. You can use whatever you have. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop out your cookie dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Make sure that you spread out your cookie dough so that they don't stick together when they bake. I moved some of my cookie dough onto another baking sheet so that I can bake those cookies later. Bake your cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how hot your oven gets. I know it may be tempting, but don't eat your cookies right when they come out of the oven. You'll have to let them cool first so you can really enjoy them. And here are the fresh baked cookies. We've got our white chocolate, dark chocolate, and semi-sweet chocolate all coming together to make a delicious cookie. If you'd like the measurements for this recipe, head on over to my blog, pastryandsoul.com. It'll be listed in the description box below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please be sure to subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.